Alright, totally home. Oh my god, so many clothes and things to put up. But I'm taking a chill break right now. And when I went to the post office, this is my hairdo from after the photo shoot. And a couple ladies were like, "You look like Amy Winehouse." I was like, "Oh my god, I love her." So I was singing to her on the way home. And it made the ride so much nicer. Oh, you blokes. I just can't do an accent like that right now. I'm too tired. A photographer, like, the hair and makeup, like, everybody thinks, like, all of it's easy, but it's, like, it's a lot of work, a lot of planning. No, it's a lot of cleaning up. And then lots of graphic design work and getting all the photos and all the information in and making the calendar. I can't wait. Ow! Woo! Yay.